Start your new year with an adventurous cruise with Cruise and Maritime Voyages to the legendary Amazon. Leaving chilly British shores, we warm up in friendly Lisbon. Here the bustle of clattering trams, great markets and cafe-filled cobbled streets give you a taste of the changing worlds you'll soon experience. Heading further south, we explore Madeira, the floating garden in the Atlantic. Then it's on to the Cape Verde Islands, famed for their friendly people and stunning white sand beaches. Then the real adventure begins. Crossing the Atlantic, we slip over the equator to Santarém. Here the mighty Amazon meets the sea in a world of turquoise bays and savannas. Next, to the remote village of Boca da Valeria to meet the locals and barter for homemade handicrafts. Exploring further, we discover Manaus, the Amazon's largest city, surrounded by jungle and 1,000 miles from the sea. After even more Amazonian adventures, we head home via the stunning Windward Islands, the breathtaking Grenadines, and the Azores, regarded as one of the best destinations in the world. CMV, Grand Voyages to Distant Shores.